Hi, I'm Alfrizha Sofyanti Azzahra. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about linguistic and related disciplines. Talk about linguistic. Linguists are not the only people interested in the study of language. Anthropologists, philosophers, psychologists, and language teachers have long been interested in language. And linguistic has close ties with each of the other disciplines. First, we have to know the linguistic. Linguistic is the study of language, not any particular language, but human language in general. It can be assumed that it's about how language changes, how meaning is changed, and so on. So, what is the relationship with other disciplines? Let's get started. First, anthropology and linguistics. As we already know the meaning of linguistic, meanwhile anthropology is the study of humans, past and present, which build knowledge of social sciences, biological sciences, humanities, and natural sciences. Humans have a particular language, and the language of a group is an important window into culture. Linguistics and anthropology are closely related in our daily life. The relationship between them is called as sociocultural anthropology. Linguistic anthropologists teach us that people use a wide variety of language and dialect to express their idea. However, some languages have developed appropriate vocabulary to talk about matters important to their culture. People who speak English, for example, have started using computer-related words in their language. Next, we get moved to linguistics and psychology. It's clear linguistics, the study of language, which including language structure, sound, meaning, and structural sentences in conversation. On the contrary, psychology is the study of human use language. Study of how humans use language. When humans use their language, it's not separated by linguistics. Therefore, the combination between linguistics and psychology is called as psycholinguistics. It learns about language and the implementation of it in human behavior. Psychology is related to behaviorism. The behaviorists believe that language develops through reinforcement, and they believe that language is acquired through learning process and their environment. So, humans use language to communicate with others to deliver anything they want, including emotionally or mentally. For instance, someone is able to share his or her sadness through their facial expression like the eyes or their mimicry. Moreover, someone is able to share his or her happiness through his or her smile. Next, linguistics and philosophy. Philosophy is a study of general and fundamental problems concerning matters such as existence, knowledge, value, reason, and mind. Philosophy is focused on questions which can be assessed and debated rationally using logic. The contrary, linguistics studies the nature of meaning within the context of empirical language. Actually, philosophy and language have close relationship in which philosophers will depend themselves on language. Fact shows that the opinion or the answers from philosophers can be revealed through the use of language. It means philosophers use a language as a tool to deliver their finding, and they will be nothing without language. For example, philosopher is interested in investigating about the symbol used in the earth. They use language to find the answer. In short, philosophy and language look like sugar and its taste. And next, relationship between linguistic and teaching. Finally, through language are learned, they must also occasionally be taught, or there must be some teaching about linguistic matter. Linguists can be expected to contribute some understanding of language to this teaching. For example, of the native language, of reading, of foreign language, and so on. The relationship of linguistic and teaching can be seen from the interaction of teaching and of teacher and student. In teaching learning process, teacher can use particular language to emphasize the rule of grammar, structure, the development of vocabulary, and the sound of language. Teacher can focus on teaching how to communicate fluently by using appropriate expression in different situations. Besides linguistic can be directly implemented in teaching, such as in teaching program or in the preparation of teaching material that will be used in a classroom. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will be able to understand about relationship between linguistic and other related disciplines. See you in the next video. Bye.